Welcome to Simply English, an educational channel.
Present tense is made easy. In this video, we'll explore 50 common English sentences to understand the present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous tenses. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up, these examples will help you master them effortlessly. Let's dive in.
I like coffee. I am drinking coffee. I have tried coffee. I have been drinking coffee. She reads books. She is reading a book. She has read that book. She has been reading for hours. We play football. We are playing football. We have played football. We have been playing football. He watches TV. He is watching TV. He has watched this show. He has been watching TV all day. They go to school. They are going to school. They have gone to school. They have been going to school. I live in London. I am living in London. I have lived in London. I have been living in London. You work hard. You are working hard. You have worked hard. You have been working hard. The sun rises early. The sun is rising now. The sun has risen. The sun has been rising earlier. He speaks English. He is speaking English. He has spoken English. He has been speaking English. She teaches math. She is teaching math. She has taught math. She has been teaching math. They eat breakfast. They are eating now. They have eaten breakfast. They have been eating since morning. I write emails. I am writing emails. I have written emails. I have been writing emails. He drives a car. He is driving a car. He has driven a car. He has been driving a car. She sings songs. She is singing a song. She has sung this song. She has been singing all night. He cooks dinner. He is cooking dinner. He has cooked dinner. He has been cooking dinner. They shop online. They are shopping now. They have shopped online. They have been shopping online. She loves dancing. She is dancing now. She has loved dancing. She has been dancing for hours. I clean my room. I am cleaning my room. I have cleaned my room. I have been cleaning my room. We learn English. We are learning English. We have learned English. We have been learning English. He swims in the pool. He is swimming now. He has swum in the pool. He has been swimming for an hour. They play music. They are playing music. They have played music. They have been playing music. She paints pictures. She is painting now. She has painted this picture. She has been painting all day. I walk every day. I am walking now. I have walked today. I have been walking for an hour. He reads newspapers. He is reading one now. He has read newspapers. He has been reading since morning. We talk a lot. We are talking now. We have talked already. We have been talking for hours. She drinks water. She is drinking water. She has drunk water. She has been drinking water. He waits for the bus. He is waiting now. He has waited for the bus. He has been waiting for a while. They build houses. They are building one. They have built houses. They have been building houses. I open the window. I am opening the window. I have opened the window. I have been opening windows. He fixes things. He is fixing a chair. He has fixed the car. He has been fixing furniture. She listens to music. She is listening now. She has listened to it. She has been listening for hours. They wash dishes. They are washing dishes. They have washed dishes. They have been washing dishes. I exercise daily. I am exercising now. I have exercised today. I have been exercising regularly. He attends classes. He is attending now. He has attended class. He has been attending regularly. She speaks French. She is speaking French. She has spoken French. She has been speaking French. They explore cities. They are exploring now. They have explored cities. They have been exploring new places. I buy groceries. I am buying groceries. I have bought groceries. I have been buying groceries. He studies physics. He is studying now. He has studied physics. He has been studying all day. She sleeps well. She is sleeping now. She has slept well. She has been sleeping well. We celebrate birthdays. We are celebrating now. We have celebrated birthdays. We have been celebrating together. They find solutions. They are finding one. They have found solutions. They have been finding solutions. I call my friends. I am calling my friend. I have called them. I have been calling them often. He rides a bike. He is riding a bike. He has ridden a bike. He has been riding daily. She helps others. She is helping now. She has helped others. She has been helping people. We travel often. We are traveling now. We have traveled far. We have been traveling frequently. They save money. They are saving now. They have saved money. They have been saving for a trip. I enjoy my work. I am enjoying my work. I have enjoyed my work. I have been enjoying my work. Thanks for watching this video from Simply English, an educational channel for all ages and all stages. If you're new to this channel and enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button. If you have any suggestions, please mention them in the comments section. Take care, and goodbye.